The universal engine. What we are trying to achieve is to get the universal engine into global use. The inventor wants any interested people to know about it. This is a new discovery that will stop global warming by harnessing centrifugal force and supply all the energy the world can use without any pollution. This technology has a patent pending for the purpose of licensing the technology at a fee level that will lower energy and production costs enormously. The owners are eager to see this arrest to global warming implemented as quickly as possible. And to assist this, it will give free use for 2 years of this technology to the first 50 entities that notify the implementation of this technology. The method of adding power is to transfer centrifugal force into a cranking force to apply energy to a gear. This is done by maintaining an added off-center weight of a frame gear to one side of that gear whilst in orbit, regardless of any spin it may undergo, such that the offset mass of the frame gear orbits in a manner synchronous to the center of orbit, while the actual frame gear may be freely spinning in orbit. This is real. You can make a difference. If you would like more information, please contact www.universalengines.com.au.